Imagine you're a small business owner looking to expand your operations into the United States. You need a reliable, cost-effective way to handle international payments. You've heard about Airwallex, but does it actually work in the USA? Today, we're diving deep into that question. Does Airwallex work in the USA? And if so, how? Let's find out. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly understand what Airwallex is. It's a global financial technology platform that provides a range of financial services, including international payments, currency exchange, and business cards. So, it's basically a one-stop shop for your business's global financial needs. Now, to the big question, does Airwallex work in the USA? The short answer is yes. But let's break down why and how. 1. US-based operations. Airwallex has a significant presence in the United States. They have offices, partnerships, and a dedicated team to cater to the needs of US-based businesses. This means they understand the local regulations and requirements. 2. Wide range of services. Airwallex offers a comprehensive suite of services that are particularly valuable for U.S. businesses operating internationally. These include international payments, send and receive payments in multiple currencies, including USD. Currency exchange, convert currencies at competitive rates. Business cards, get corporate cards for your employees to use for business expenses. Embedded finance, integrate Airwallex's financial services into your own platform or app. 3. Regulatory compliance. Airwallex is licensed and regulated in the United States, ensuring that it complies with all relevant laws and regulations. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your financial transactions are secure. 4. Competitive pricing. Airwallex offers competitive pricing for its services, making it a cost-effective option for U.S. businesses. You can save money on international transaction fees and currency exchange rates. Additional considerations. While Airwallex is a great option for many U.S. businesses, it's important to consider your specific needs and requirements. Factors to consider include transaction volume. If you have high transaction volumes, Airwallex may offer bulk discounts or tailored pricing plans. Currency pairs. Ensure that Airwallex supports the currency pairs you need. Integration capabilities. If you want to integrate Airwallex's services into your existing systems, check if they offer APIs or other integration options. So, to summarize, yes, Airwallex definitely works in the USA. It offers a wide range of financial services, is regulated and compliant, and provides competitive pricing. If you're a U.S. business looking to expand internationally or simply streamline your global financial operations, Airwallex is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.